Thing 1, basics. So here are some common requirements for your middle school students. It can also be used for upper elementary school students. But typically like lower elementary, probably K through 2, it's a little bit difficult for them to maybe use technology or computer. But the student should be able to use basic navigation figures. They should also be able to use the keyboard to add words to a Word or a PowerPoint document. And then they should also be able to fix those grammatical errors by clicking on the word or the sentence and then pushing the right clicker. They should also be able to save a document in Word or PowerPoint, watch, pause, and start a video on YouTube. They should also be able to search the internet. So screenshots are also pretty basic. The one on the bottom left-hand corner is a screenshot of my screen on my laptop. And in order to do that, you're going to find the print screen button on your computer and click that. And it won't do anything like it would a smartphone, so it won't make the camera sound or anything like that. It'll kind of sound like it does nothing, but it really does. You go to then open a Word document or a blank PowerPoint, and then you push Control and the letter V at the same time, and it should post a picture of your screenshot. Another one that I found was pretty handy is the one on the top right corner here. That is called Lightshot. And Lightshot is available for Windows or Mac. And it's pretty interesting because you can share, you can also edit it. So if you want to capture the whole screen, then you might use the print screen. But if you just want to capture a portion, then you can use Lightshot and then crop it out. Um, it also is free. Another thing that I found out that students should know, that I didn't know till I got to college, was to be able to find a phrase or a word on a page. So, say you're reading a book online and you just want to search for the chapter, but you don't want to go through the whole book, or you're doing an assignment and you just want to search that question, you can by pushing Control and F and then type in the word. And that is end of thing 1.